India has the highest number of tuberculosis patients in the world, with nearly 0.2% of its population contracting the disease every year. Here is how medication event reminder monitoring or MERM boxes support patients in completing their TB treatment. Medication adherence or the failure to take the prescribed medications in time is one of the biggest challenges in the fight against TB. Medication needs to be taken continuously for anywhere between 6 months to nearly 2 years for drug-resistant TB. However, if the patient discontinues the medication either because the symptoms start to reduce or for any other reason, things can take a dangerous turn. This is where digital adherence technology supports the patients in their treatment journey in the form of MERM boxes. MERM box is a simple yet effective solution to ensure that TB medications are taken in time. The MERM box, which contains the prescribed TB medications, also has an electronic device that alerts the patient to take the medicine on time. MERM boxes are given out at TB centers, wherein the staff load the medicines and program the device by setting the daily alarm and the refill alarm based on the patient's convenience. The box also has a picture cue on the inside that helps the patients to take the right medication. A charger is also provided along with the MERM box. The green light on the box starts to blink and the alarm goes off at the programmed light, reminding the patient to take the medication. The alarm stops when the patient opens the box to take the medication. After taking the medication, when the patient closes the box, the device sends a notification to NICSHI that the patient has taken the medicine. This information is available in the adherence calendar and helps in maintaining a record of the patient's history. The yellow light on the box starts to blink on the date set by the staff to remind the patient to visit the health center to refill their medication. The red light goes off when the battery is low. At this point, the patient needs to charge the device using the charger provided along with it. If the patient does not open the box when the alarm goes off, the TB center is notified on a real-time basis that the patient has missed a dosage. This can help the center instruct the local PHC to physically follow up with the patient. It is important to keep the box in a place where there is network connectivity to ensure that the staff is notified about the patient's activity. Keeping the box in places like almirahs or poorly connected areas can result in raising false triggers at the TB centers, apart from the patient failing to notice it when the alarm goes off. MERM boxes come in two varieties: drug-resistant TB box and drug-sensitive TB box. The MERM box will help healthcare workers to stay connected with patients remotely to monitor and support them in their treatment journey so that they never miss a single dose.